Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I would like to share about the tutorial how to make a cupboard cabinet. First of all, you have to take the rotated rectangle and then you have to position it on origin. After that, you have to set the value of the length of cupboard cabinet. It's around 1200 millimeter. Then you can set the width of the cabinet. It's around 400 millimeter for the width. After that, you have to push it up until it's around 1800 millimeter, like right here. Then you have to give a thickness of the cabinet. It's around 40 millimeter right here. Then you can set the value of the width depth of the cabinet. It's around 350 millimeter right here. After that, you have to make it group, and then you can set the upper cabinet. You can set the shelf inside the cupboard. You can take the rectangle like this. Then you can set the thickness of the shelf right here. It's around 30 millimeter. Then you can make it group and move it up it's around 650 millimeter length. And then you can give a divider by the rectangle right here. You can set the value of the thickness of the divider is 30 millimeter. Then you can set the position to be a center position. Then you can duplicate this shelf. First of all, you have to make component right here. Just create, move, and press Ctrl. You can position it on it and just left click and set the value. It's around 4 and slash and press enter. Okay, after that you can make a door leaf of the cupboard cabinet. Don't forget to delete this unnecessary shelf. And then you can set the value of thickness. It's around 30 millimeter right here. And forget make it group. And you can take the tape measure tool to guide you to set the height of the solid area, and then you can add a line right here, and you can only offset this area. You can offset it around maybe it's 60 millimeter for the thick. Then you can erase unnecessary area with a push and pull. Then you can make a rectangle to make a glass right here. You can take the rectangle, then you push it up until your desired thickness of the glass, or make it representative as possible. You can assign the material with kind of this glass. Maybe you can set the glass transparent glass like here, and then you can set the color as you want. Anyway, maybe something like this, or you can set the clear more for the glass. You can set the opacity to set the opacity of the glass. After that, you can also adjust the door panel right here. You can adjust the door panel right here. You can add some decorative alignment on your door leaf right here. Then it can make more representative and more look better than before. Then you can use offset tool or any tool that it could be relevant object on this part of the making cupboard cabinet. And then you have to make it group, and don't forget to make it component. Then you can move it on the left side of this cabinet like this. If you feel it uh, not lying enough, you can only select this half of left area and with a left click, and you can uh, select this. You can select move and press it on the side as you want to complete it. Then you can see the result. You can see the result right here. Okay, please delete it to repeat the step right here. After that, you can make it equal with the drawer thickness. You can make it equal, then you can add some material. I would like to add this material. You can choose a synthetic surface to make more representative. Anyway, something like this, and it finished. Then you can also delete unnecessary object right here. After that, you can duplicate it by select all of object, press move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. And you can also rotate it, this door leaf to make it visible from outside, so you can um, see about the arrangement of inside of the cupboard design, and you can see the condition if the cupboard is closed right here. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching.